14-Day Butt Lift Challenge. Looking for the perfect all-natural butt lift? This 14-day butt lift workout challenge will shape the best glutes of your life, bringing you the top exercises to tone and tighten your butt. This video includes a 14-day workout plan designed to target your booty and get you a great backside. Welcome back to another episode of All Out You, the home of health and wellness on YouTube. We believe that if your mind and body are not right, then the rest of your day will go all wrong. Start each day on the right foot by subscribing to our channel so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest health and wellness videos. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the 14-day butt lift challenge. Let's get to it. How can I get a toned butt? You've come to the right place. To tone and define the muscles in your backside, you need to include exercises that are targeted to strengthen and shape your booty. The workouts included are designed to target and activate your glute muscle groups to make that booty perfectly toned and round. It includes workouts for 14 days. Try it out and get that great butt you always wanted. What should I eat to get bigger buttocks? Getting a better butt isn't just about what you do in the gym. You also need to focus on eating the right foods and staying within your calorie goals. If your goal is to build body tissue, you need to eat about 100 to 200 extra calories per day. That doesn't mean you can eat whatever you want. You don't want a bigger belly as well. If you are completing your workouts and focusing on the right foods in the right portions, you will see some great benefits as you build your booty. If you're looking for some ideas of healthy foods to add to your diet to get the perfect booty, try choosing 1 to 2 servings per day of one of these foods: quinoa, nuts, eggs, fish, spinach, or other greens, avocados, sweet potatoes, beans and lentils, oats, chia seeds, Greek yogurt, or almond butter. These foods are nutrient-rich and supply extra calories to help you meet your booty goals. Now, on to the workouts. Just 3 butt workouts that will improve the overall aesthetic of your glutes. The number of sets and reps for each workout will be given for each day later on in the video. Hip thrust. Say hello to your new friend. This extremely powerful workout will absolutely challenge your booty muscles to grow. You can even add weights like 20-pound dumbbells or a barbell that will increase the intensity for even more gains. How to do it? Get on the edge of a chair or bench using your back while both feet are flat on the ground. Your glutes should be slightly hovering off the ground, but not touching it. Now, you're going to brace your hips as far as possible and hold 1 second. Make sure to squeeze your glutes as hard as possible while in the position. Slowly lower to the starting position and repeat. Curtsy reverse lunge. This move is very similar to reverse lunges with a small twist. Adding 2 15-pound dumbbells will even provide better resistance for your glutes. How to do it? Stand with legs chest width apart, holding both dumbbells on your shoulder. Now, you're going to lower your body backwards while twisting your right leg around to the left as far as possible. Hold the position for 1 second. Return to the starting position and repeat for the other leg. Step up lunges. Here's another glute growing move that you have to add to your butt workout routine. It's a perfect addition to this 14-day butt lift challenge that will definitely boost your results. Make sure that you do this workout on a sturdy bench or chair. Never perform this exercise on unreliable support. How to do it? Stand about 12 inches away from a bench. Start with your left leg to step up, as if you're going up a high stairwell. Only stand on your left leg while your right leg is in the air. Hold for 1 second, then slowly return to the starting position. Repeat with the right leg and alternate. The 14-day butt lift challenge calendar. To make the most of your 14-day journey, you should stick to the following calendar using the 3 previously mentioned exercises. Week 1. Day 1, 15 reps of each, 3 times. Day 2, 20 reps of each, 3 times. Day 3, rest day. Day 4, 15 reps of each, 4 times. Day 5, 25 reps of each, 3 times. Day 6, rest day. Day 7, rest day. Week 2. Day 8, 25 reps of each, 4 times. Day 9, rest day. Day 10, 30 reps of each, 4 times. Day 11, rest day. Day 12, 30 reps of each, 4 times. Day 13, rest day. Day 14, 40 reps of each, 4 times. Whether it's a party or that special beach event coming up within 2 weeks, this plan will work perfectly for you. Start now to get your butt lifted, firmer, and sexier over the next couple of weeks. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about the 14-day butt lift challenge, which if you guys is going to be trying out 14-day challenge to get your booty in shape. Get involved and let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it interesting and useful, don't forget to subscribe to 𝐽𝐤𝐤 so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest health and wellness videos as soon as they're uploaded. As always, thanks for watching. See you again soon in the next one.